Yeah, hi. In this video, we will be learning function in C language. Now, what is function? Function is a group of statement that performs a specific task. Now, whatever task we had performed in the function, that it will function. Now, it makes like program very simple, and plus it saves a lot of time where we need to do a repetitive task. Through the help of function, it can be done smoothly and easily. There are two types of function: library or built-in function, and second, user-defined function. Library or built-in function are the functions which are declared in the C header file, such as scanf, printf, gets, puts, and more. User-defined function are the functions which are created by the programmer. That's what we will study in this video. Now, how to create user-defined function? Now, this three thing you have to keep in mind. These are the three mantra, okay, for the user-defined function. First is declaration of function, second is calling of function, and third is definition of function. Again I am repeating, okay, declaration of function, calling of function, and definition of function. So this will be our three main pillar in right now writing a program in function. Now function declaration types, this we'll see, okay, in practical. Now what are the function declaration type? First type is no return no argument, no return but argument, return with argument, return but no argument. So this we'll see in practical, but this user defined function, three things you have to keep in mind, that is declaration of function, calling of a function, and definition of function. Now before starting a function program, we'll see a simple program that we have created over here. The same program we will create in function, and then we will see, okay, the difference. Now here I have done, okay, with the help of loop we have done in the earlier video. You can check it out, okay, the concept of loop what I had made in earlier video. So you will be understanding this program because this is the for loop program. Now I is equal to 1, I less than equal to 1, I plus plus. So the star, okay, this pattern, okay, will be like increased by 1 and it will increase till 40, and then welcome to C programming. And again this I need to copy paste at the top of the line, and at the bottom of the line I need a star pattern, and in between I want welcome C programming. So what is happening, I need to copy this and I need to paste it over here. So again, let's say if I wanted to do this 1000 of time, so 1000 of time, okay, I have to do this, and this like creates my program long, and if there is some error, it will be very difficult for me to sort out that error. Through the help of function, just create a function, and with the help of one command you can do it. Now I will see this output of this program. So 40 times stars upstairs, that is pattern, welcome to C programming, and again 40 times stars, that is pattern. So the same program we will do with the help of function. So the first function we are doing, that is no return no argument. We'll just open it. No return no argument. Yeah, so when I write, this is the example of no return no argument. When I write no return, that is void is my no return, and no argument, okay. So now void is my no return, and in no return, okay, I have written what, print line. Now this is my declaration of function, and my function name is right now print line. So what, like, this is my print line is the name of my function. So declaration of the function part is done. Now calling of a function, that is print line. Now what it will be printed, welcome to C programming. Okay, this I had called my function, so this is my calling of my function, that is print line. After calling of function, then the third step will be defining the function, that is the definition of function. Now void print line, what it will be by giving a loop, okay, what it is stating, that 40 times star has to be built in. Now this I don't have to copy and paste again and again. If it is 1000 times, I have already declared a function. So this print line function what I have done, okay, where I want to do repeat this task again, I just need to write, okay, this print line function. So this is my calling of a function. So what happens, if by defining a function, I don't have to repeat copy paste again and again, just I have to write print line function. So wherever the function is required, this print line function will work. Now let's see the output. So here the same welcome to C programming. With the help of function we have done it. We have already defined the function. So wherever the functions need to call, just you need to write print line and the function you need to write, and this thing will be done easily. Now the second we are doing, that is no return but argument. I'll just open the file. No return but argument. So this is the example of no return but argument. So no return is my void, no return. Void means no return, okay, and the function name is sum, but argument is int x, that is x and y is my variable. So this thing I have declared. Now a and b is my variable, int is my data type, enter two number, okay, and I am calling my function. The name of my function is sum, and now I have to define my function, what sum function has to do over here. So this int x and int y, okay, this sum will be, the sum function will store, okay, in this variable, that is x and y, and x and y variable will be stored in z. So this is the simple, okay, sum program that earlier I have taught you. So the main thing that you need to learn in this, okay, no return is my void and sum is my function name, and this is x and y, okay, are my argument. Now I am writing a program. A variable a and variable b is my integer, enter two number. Now I am calling my function, that is sum, and this will be, okay, defined over here, that is in my x variable, and y, my sum will be defined over here. I have to define over here, and then what will happen, okay, x and y will be stored in z. So in this way the simple program is created, addition of two number. We'll just compile it. So here is this simple, and it's very easy. Everywhere all the functions not been used, whichever function is suitable, according to that we will use it. Now we will use, okay, we have done no return no argument, we have done no return but argument. Now we will do return with argument. I'll just opening it. So return with argument, int is my data type and sum is my function, and this int x and int y, okay, is my argument I have declared over here. Now main my program starts, data type int and the variable a comma b comma c is there, enter two number. Now I have called my function, that is sum over here, variable a and b, and I have declare over here what I have to do it, okay. Sum of two number is like what I need to scan it. Now I have defined over here. Now my sum will be, function will be transferred over here in x and y, and x and y will be like variable x and y will be transferred in z, and it will return, okay, my like program, that is z. So this my a and b, that is my function over here, a and b will get, okay, defined over here in x and y, and x and y will get, okay, my variable will be stored in z. So in return, okay, z will be stored. So it will ask me sum of two number. So it's simple, okay, return with argument. Now we'll do, okay, return but no argument. Yeah, here is the program, okay, return but no argument. Int square root is my return, and here I have not given any argument. The open close bracket is closed. Here I have declared main my program start, c is my variable, in that I have defined, okay, I had called my function, that is sqrt, and here it will be defined over here what sqrt has to do. Now enter any two number. So what will happen if I enter, okay, enter any number, so that any number a will be stored in b. So if I have written a, it will be square root a multiplied by B, and in return whatever the value stored in A will be transferred into B. So in this way, okay, the program will run. I'll just show you the output. So in this way, okay, we have done the function declaration type: no return, no argument, no return but argument, return with argument, return but no argument. But in the function, the main thing that you need to keep in mind, that your user defined function, first thing you need to declare a function, second you need to call a function, and third you need to define the function. Function is a group of statement that performs specific task. It makes lab very simple. You just need to define a function, you have to create a function, and then you can use wherever you want in your program. I hope you have understood the concept of function, because in C++, in Java, mostly function is been used. Thank you.